Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Madhu and Sam Diaries. Today we will prepare vegetable pulao. Vegetable pulao is my all-time favorite rice recipe. While preparing vegetable pulao, we'll allow rice to absorb the masalas and it tastes absolutely amazing. We can add many vegetables to this recipe to make it tasty and kids definitely will love to eat pulao. Let's look at the ingredients list first. 2 cups of rice, 5 cups of water, 2 potatoes, 1 carrot, 1/4 cup of peas, which will be around 3/4 cup after soaking, 2 chilies, 1/4 cup or handful of cashews. If you want, you can add beans, cauliflower and soya chunks as well. For masala paste, we need 2 spoons of coriander seeds, 6 or 7 cloves, 5 cardamom, 2-inch cinnamon, 1 mace, 2 star anise, 4 to 5 spoons coconut pieces or grated coconut, 2 spoons of soaked poppy seeds, 1 inch ginger, and half garlic. For garnishing, we need mint and coriander leaves. Let's get into the recipe now. Before starting recipe, make sure to soak peas overnight or for 4 to 6 hours. Soak cashews for 20 to 30 minutes and soak poppy seeds for 10 to 15 minutes. Chop onions, carrots and potatoes. Chop onions into medium-sized pieces, don't chop them into small pieces. Chop carrot and potatoes into cubes. To prepare masala paste, add all the garam masala items that include cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, mace, coriander seeds, ginger, garlic, soaked poppy seeds and coconut, and add little water to grind them into a paste. Take a vessel and turn on the stove in medium heat. Add 4 to 5 spoons of oil to the vessel. Add chopped onions and chilies to it. Fry it for 2 minutes. Now add carrot, potato to the vessel and mix it. If you are using beans and cauliflower, then add them to the vessel along with carrot and potato. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add cashews and soaked peas to the vessel and let it cook for 10 minutes by closing the lid. In between, remove the lid and mix it to avoid burnt vegetables. Add little water if required. After 10 minutes, add the masala paste that we prepared before and mix it properly. Cook it for 7 to 10 minutes. Then add 5 cups of water and salt and let it boil. Now add rice to the vessel, mix it well and cover the lid. It took me around 16 minutes to completely cook the rice. But make sure to remove the lid every 5 minutes and mix the pulao once. Do not overmix it, otherwise rice grain will break into smaller pieces. Once the rice is 80 to 85% cooked, add ghee, mint leaves and coriander leaves to the vessel, mix it and close the lid again. Let it cook until the rice is completely cooked. Switch off the stove and remove the lid and let it cool down. At this stage, the moisture will evaporate from pulao. That's it. Pulao is ready to serve. Pulao tastes good with raita or potato kurma. So friends, try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Thank you.